Welcome back to Bearth. Last week I shared 3 of my original made story concepts. Concept 1, a psychosis gently, is a supernatural mystery thriller story where a young girl investigates the source of her daily visions to figure out whether it's real or if she's just insane. Concept 2 was Muscle Pong, an action sports focused story where a big buff boy tries to master table tennis in the hopes of getting a girl to go out with him. Last but not least, Concept 3, Breathers, a post-apocalyptic science fiction story where of the humans left, only a small few can breathe a contemporary Earth atmosphere. Of these 3, the winner from last week is A Psychosis Gently, which I'm shortening to a PG from now, as it's a bit long-winded. So with that being said, Breathers and Muscle Pong are out for now, but never discarded. Okay. Now, as promised, here's more from A Psychosis Gently. I do these covers and art off the cuff without much thought, then I come up with a base story, which I think is cool because I don't even know for sure whether art or story is going at all. I try not to think when drawing since it messes up my flow. To show my process, I drew the extra concept art here in Procreate. Here we have Carol only with her hoodie down and with pupils. Instead of designing her normally, I just thought of a personality type and designed her based on that. She's supposed to be chill, relaxed, a tad quirky with a deadpan tone, a dark sense of humor, and great taste in music, and I think that came through. Her visions or hallucinations are consistent, but by touching an object or person, her visual field is filled with images flowing from the subject. For objects, it's anything about that object, mixed with her own feelings, and for people she touches, she sees thoughts, personality, aspects, and memories. Two things are particularly strange in her visions. Firstly, she regularly sees a slender shadow monster in cut-off jeans, sometimes behind people, in the background, or even in her periphery. But no one notices the creature, even if it's touching or leaning directly on them. Secondly, she often sees a young boy walking alone around town, whom people can seemingly see and interact with, but no one besides her seemed to notice anything strange about him. Like the fact he always carries 2 giant swords on his back and that he only ever says one thing over and over: "Be nice, or I'll destroy ya." What's going on? Is Carol going crazy, or does she possess some sort of power? Like and comment if you'd like me to draw a cover of one of your concepts. Or if you'd want to learn more about A Psychosis Gently.